What go me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Guys, what a show. Guys, what a show. In a New York, Barclays Center. Yeah, man, in a New York. Who? Alkaline. Alkaline steal the moment. Alkaline steal the show. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. How you do? All right? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you not feel no pain. And if you not feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Call the doctor. Check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. But no worry yourself. If you don't have no money, no worry. We going to help you. Because we go call you. Everybody in your family, Cassandra, Beverly, everybody in your family, your mother, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your auntie, your brother-in-law, your sister-in-law, your mother-in-law, your cousin-in-law, everybody we go call. One of them we pick up and carry you go to the doctor. Guys, wellness check. You know doing wellness check, yes? Doing wellness check for our friends, family, and enemy. Make sure them all right. Mental health crisis is not a joke. It's a very serious situation. It's a serious thing. If today your birthday, happy birthday to you. Enough respect. Go out, have a nice day, go to work, do anything you can and want to do because today is your day. And as a matter of fact, the month of March is your day. And if you cook any food, always remember, give somebody some. The unfortunate, the have not, who no have no food, share your food with somebody. Guys, I'm not telling a lie. Me not telling a lie. I am very, very, very super excited for this young man, Alkaline. Yes, I am very excited for Alkaline because, and the reason why I am very excited for Alkaline is because everybody is just beating on the young man. The music fraternity is like them pick side. Them turn on Alkaline. Them beat him, them talk bother him, them say him can't this, him can't that. I go tell you something. I hear some people, I see and hear some people said the ticket was cheap. But let me tell you something. Any ticket is any ticket. Airline ticket cheap get cheap sometime. First class ticket on an airline get cheap sometime. How much person hold into the Barclays Stadium? You know how much person hold in there? A lot. So just think of a center like the Barclays Stadium filled with everybody in there pay $40. $40. 40, $30,000 ticket. The ticket, 30,000, $40. Check and see how much that in US dollars. Alkaline, full, sell out the Barclays Center in New York. What isn't so important about it? There is a lot of importance about Alkaline selling out the Barclays Stadium. Let me explain. One of the most important thing is Alkaline is the youngest ever artist, reggae artist, to sell out the Barclays Center. And I go say this. Many artists in Jamaica are in the world cannot sell out the Barclays Center. Many artists in this world cannot sell out the Barclays Center. Alkaline is the first, the youngest reggae artist to do that. Give him his prop. Give him his flowers. What is due to Caesar, give it to Caesar. Alkaline was the underdog. Yes, Alkaline was the underdog. No, Alkaline is not the underdog anymore. Because Alkaline did what? Sell out the Barclays Stadium. When who sell it out? Vice Cartel. Make we talk another thing about Alkaline. Alkaline never sell out the Barclays Center with no hype. In other words, let me be honest. Alkaline never sell out the Barclays Stadium with no prison hype. With no come out of prison hype. Alkaline sell out the Barclays all by himself. The Vendettas, the Alkalines crew, the whatsoever you want to call each and every one of them. Alkaline did not sell out the Barclays with any hype. There is one other thing I want to talk about with this Alkaline situation. Alkaline never have a open act. There wasn't anybody but Alkaline. That's another thing that you all have to sit down and look at. Alkaline did it all by himself. No other act have ever done that. No other act have ever done that. Do it by themselves. Alkaline did it by himself. There was nobody opening. For weeks and months, everybody was wondering who go open for Alkaline. Alkaline open for Alkaline. My viewers and subscribers, the music fraternity, listen. When a young man is trying, when a young man is trying anything, no matter what he's trying, once it's good, it's clean, it's not any violence, give him his props, give him what he need to go forward. Worse, he's a Jamaican. Push him forward rather than trying to tear him down. Because Alkaline, if you was trying something in life and things wasn't looking good, things wasn't looking up, things was looking like it not going to happen, Alkaline should allow you to say, yes, you can. Yes, we can. Yes, I can. Because Alkaline did not disappoint himself and didn't go to the Barclays Center in New York. He did. And look what happened. He create an excited moment. He create history in what he have been doing in his life. He create a memorable moment for himself, his family, and most of all, his supporters. Alkaline is a young man who, from day one, he tell himself that he is going to be somebody. Remember, Scatterburrell said that. My name? Hold on, I don't want to tell a lie. I do not want to tell a lie. But remember, Scatterburrell said that he was at a studio and Footer Hype run him from the studio. And he go away and come back. He didn't come back to the studio, but he go and do a song about them running him away, and he's go reach where he want to reach. I can't remember the song right now off my head. But Vendetta, Alkaline, been going on strong Meanwhile, people is tearing him down. That young man take himself and book the Barclays Center to have a show. Sold it out without, he have never, no hype, no coming out of prison hype. Hear me have to say it, you know? No coming out of prison hype. No open hack. No had a hack. It's just alkaline. Who can do that? Which other young arc can do that? That is very important. But all by himself. All by himself. That's very important. We all have to sit down and look at these things, talk about these things, and use these things as something that you can learn from. And also tell yourself that nothing is impossible. You know this song? I don't know if you all know this song. Say, nothing in this world is impossible to me. Little John said, nothing in this world is impossible to him. Him say, and can live on dry land and walk on sea. I don't know if many of you may not know that song, but go back in a Little John catalog. Go listen to what Little John said. Nothing in this world is impossible to me. Live on dry land and we go walk on sea. Yes, Little John did that song way back when. Yeah, man. So, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know, that was just my piece about Alkaline. Alkaline, big up yourself. Vendetta crew, Alkaline crew, listen, big up on yourself, and that was very good of Alkaline. Make himself proud and make him fans and family proud. Now, watch no face. I'm out.